Hi everyone! At kumusta po kayong lahat? So nandito na naman tayo guys, ang Bisaya sa North Cyprus. So ngayon guys, katatapos lang namin kumakain. So ngayon gagawa ako ng my homemade banana bread. So dito sa container guys, I put 3 bananas and I smash the 3 bananas. 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of fresh milk, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a little bit of vanilla extract, 1 cup of flour. So this is the result guys. I just continue whisking until it will mix all the ingredients. And I have here also guys Pyrex container, and I already put some oil and I will spread it guys, so that when I put all the ingredients for the banana bread, it will not stick on the Pyrex container. So I just spread little bit of oil side by side and then the bottom. So I'll show you guys in my short video the finished product of my homemade banana bread. Bye guys!